Okay, the table below includes the population data for 4 state capitals in the United States. In the third column, divide the total population of each capital city by 1,000. Let's start here. I'm going to do Montgomery, Alabama as an example. So Montgomery, Alabama's population is 199,518. So I'm going to go to my calculator, which it says you can use, and I'm going to put 199,518. And I'm going to divide that by 1,000. The number that it gives you is 199.5. When you go to the nearest whole number, that will be 200. So you can add a text box of 200 there. Now calculate that for Boston, Massachusetts, Juneau, Alaska, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Then each city will receive 2 tokens for every 1,000 people. To calculate, you will need to multiply the population by 2 to determine the number of tokens the city will receive. So if I was doing Montgomery, Alabama again, I would multiply 200 by 2. The total is 400. Again, adding a text box of 400 and moving it to that column. Again, continue this step for Boston, Massachusetts, Juneau, Alaska, and Santa Fe, New Mexico.